Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and tonight we're going to be working on Becky. We only have about an hour or so to work on her. Devin's got to be at work at 7 o'clock tomorrow, so we're going to spend about an hour. The plans are to finish the roll cage. We need to do some drilling. Let's see if I can show you from inside the trunk. So you see there's little dimples right there. They kind of help to guide the legs. Let's go look at the legs and I'll show you what I'm talking about. The drill points for the legs on the 4-point. So they line up with these pretty well. So we're going to be working on that tonight, making sure everything's where it needs to be. And hopefully try to get the cage done. So yeah, that'll be good. Hopefully we get that done because, as I said, we only have about an hour. My GoPro is not exactly working very well. So, I got hot in here. Also, we are doing a giveaway with these stickers. You can enter on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. We'll be doing 5 through each social media. So, you can enter up to 3 times. Anyways, so we're aiming to get that done tonight. My GoPro isn't working that well, so I'm going to be recording on my phone. So it's not going to be a very long video, very detailed video. I will pop in with some updates for you guys. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we just secured the ground back in place. They fit without any adjustment. Devin's working on getting a drill bit to make sure it fits that back there.
I'm not even seeing the light of day.
Alright, so we were unsuccessful. We found out that it would be a whole lot easier to do the rear end first. Get all that out, then do the roll cage, and then put the rear end back in, because otherwise we might hit some stuff that we don't want to hit.
There's a bunch of like brake lines and stuff, and wires running across the back here. So I can't, and for one, the hardware that it came with, I can't hold up there with my hand. So we're dropping the rear end anyway to do the G-force 9-inch conversion. So I just figured drop it all down, drill our holes, sandwich it together. I have a nice 1/4-inch steel plate that I'm going to sandwich it together from top and bottom and make it look really good. Probably spray paint it black so that way it doesn't look all rusty and crusty. But as for now, I think that's pretty much it. Got to drop the rear end out and start doing the conversion. See what happens from there. Everyone, we enjoyed that hour. If you guys watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to try again on the next one to see if we can't start removing some big parts to put some more big parts back in. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all have a great night.